Let's be honest, if your arms grow, your entire physique looks better. T-shirts fit differently. You look stronger, more athletic, more defined. But here's the frustrating part. Arms are one of the most trained muscle groups and still one of the most stubborn to grow. You do curls, pushdowns, endless sets, but the results? Slow or non-existent. So today I'm going to show you how to build bigger arms faster, using principles that actually work. No fluff, no wasted time, just what your arms need to grow. Most people think bigger arms come from doing more arm exercises, more curls, more pushdowns, more volume. But here's the truth. Your arms already get trained during compound lifts. Bench press hits triceps, pull-ups and rows hit biceps. So if you only focus on isolation, you're missing a big part of the stimulus. What to do instead? Use a combination of compound movements, isolation exercises. That's where real growth happens. Arms aren't just one muscle. Biceps, long head, short head. Triceps, long head, lateral head, medial head. If you only do one type of movement, you're not developing the full arm. Smart exercise selection. For biceps, incline curls, stretch, standard curls, mass. For triceps, overhead extensions, long head, pushdowns or dips. Balanced training equals bigger arms. Training arms once per week isn't optimal. They recover fast, which means they can be trained more often. Ideal frequency 2 to 3 times per week. This allows more total volume, more growth signals, faster progress. A lot of people rush arm exercises. Swinging weights, partial reps, no control. That kills tension. What to do instead? Full range of motion, slow, eccentric, controlled reps. Make the muscle do the work, not momentum. This is where growth actually happens. If your curls are the same weight every week, your arms won't grow. Focus on progression, more reps, more weight, better execution. Small improvements every week equals big results over time. More volume isn't always better. Too much volume reduces recovery. Too little limits growth. Ideal volume 10 to 16 sets per week per muscle, split across multiple sessions. Arms don't grow overnight, even with perfect training. But when everything is optimized, frequency, exercise, selection, progression, growth becomes much faster and more noticeable. Building bigger arms isn't about doing more. It's about doing better. Better exercises, better execution, better consistency. Master the basics, stay consistent, and your arms will grow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tell me in the comments what your biggest struggle with arm training is. And I'll see you in the next one.